Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word boisterous. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The boisterous crowd at the concert was singing and dancing with so much energy. Boisterous describes someone or something noisy, energetic, and lively, often in a loud or rowdy manner, creating a lively and enthusiastic atmosphere. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.